Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose apps over here and click on App Lock. Then click on turn on over here, choose change password and pick one of the login methods for your apps. Click at the chosen one, enter it, and repeat it. After that, click next at the bottom right corner, and if you want to, add your Me account by clicking on the green button. If you don't want to, tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and tap on Not Now again. Now, if you want to lock all of those apps, just click on Use App Lock right away. But I don't want to, so I have to click on each of those, choose Use App Lock then, and click on the switcher next to apps that I want to lock, for example Gallery and YouTube. So now when I go back and try to access one of those apps, I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!